Hi, my name is Dr. Saman Farr. I'm going to be one of the spine surgeons here at Arkansas Surgical Hospital. I'm excited to be here. Grew up in California. We kind of moved around a little bit for my training, and we wanted to come out here and settle here in Arkansas. I was always fascinated by medicine since I was a little kid. I used to always have ear infections that were persistent, and I remember my pediatrician just really helping me, and then later on I ended up having surgery to remove my tonsils, which doesn't seem like a big deal, but at the time it was. And at that point I became fascinated with surgery. The concept of one person physically going in and fixing another person seemed pretty fascinating. So that's when I decided I wanted to become a surgeon. I like neurosurgery because I feel like it's an emerging field. It's one of the newer fields in medicine. It's advancing quite a bit. I like the way that we are kind of the last line for a lot of these patients, and we're helping them kind of in their dire situations usually they're in, and hopefully making them better. I like to offer my patients treatment starting with non-surgical treatment first. That's always my preference, if I can manage their pain or their symptoms that way. But sometimes we need to do surgery, and a lot of those times it's either because their pain is really bad, it's debilitating, they can't really live their daily life, or we need to do surgery because we need to prevent things from getting worse. And in those situations, I usually like to sit down with the patient, go over, what we're going to be doing, what the goal is, what the steps in the surgery are, kind of give them as much information and answer their questions about their surgery. And I find that that helps a lot. I'm excited to join ASH because it has a very good reputation for excellent surgical care. I feel like the teams here really work well together. Everything from the operating room to the floor where the patients are recovering from surgery. I think it's reassuring to me and my patients that we have all the resources we need under one roof, whether that's imaging or specialties working together. And I feel like that helps my patients knowing that they're at a place that has very high standards and excellent reputation.